Hi everybody, I just discovered this feature. So if you press with the left controller of your mouse on this button, it will open a menu. And here, of course, there are some graphic issues. Probably this is new and they're fixing this. Yeah, I can see some bugs here, Facebook only. But anyway, here there are some menus. And if you go here, performance tools, and you enable this, then you get FPS, CPU, and GPU usage. So that's pretty cool. And you also have the bug visualization modes. I don't know what it does. Shall we figure it out? I don't think it changed anything, does it? Workspace normal, I don't see much. Shaded, wireframe, okay. Start trace. Let's see. I don't know what I'm tracing, but okay. Viewable imperfecto. What is perfecto? I have no idea. I have to look it up. But anyway, it's pretty cool that you can see some real-time metrics. Okay, we don't know exactly. I will take more time to find it out. But I wanted you to know that you can do this. And I think it's pretty useful for scans. So you can see your performance, and that would vary probably based on the scan. And what else do we have here? Yeah, everything is black, so it's difficult to read. Okay, I can see the words. Pretty cool. Performance tools, we saw that. Settings. Leaderboard. Sound, I can see the volume. Oh god, reading this is painful. I can adjust the volume of the environment or movement. Okay. Then what else? Emoji. I can invite people. Yeah. So yeah, check it out. And if you manage to know what is this, let me know. In the meantime, I will start looking for it. See ya.